students, this is Swati Deshpande teacher. Today we will be learning one more interesting topic. The name of that topic is mass. See, whenever we weigh certain things, we use mass. Mass in the sense, anything like vegetables or ourselves, what is our weight, that is also mass. So standard unit for measuring mass is kilogram. But suppose we want to measure small things, then we use grams. And even smaller like gold or saffron, we use milligram. So basically we have kilogram, gram and milligram, right? In our length video, see, I had shown you one small box with all the measurements. Same way I will be giving it here. Okay. So this is my box, which I will divide into these three. 1, 2 and this 3, top one. The biggest one will go down, kilogram. Gram will come here and milligram will come here. 1 kg or 1 kilogram is 1000 grams. So relation between this is of 1000. And 1 gram is also 1000 milligram. So here also it is 1000. You all know, whenever we go up, we multiply. Whenever we come down, we divide. If you know this table, your half of the work is done. This again I want to make it very clear, this may not sound or may not look more of mathematical, but it will definitely help you to remember. Okay? So we will take few examples, students, so your concept is even more clear. 10 kg 10 grams is equal to how many kg? 10 kg 10 grams is equal to how many kg? This is a question. So this kg and kg. So for this there is no problem. Problem lies here. 10 grams we need to convert into kg. See, we are having grams. We want to convert them into kg. So from here we are going down. Going down means division. By how much? What is the relation between the two? Is of 1000. So 10 kg will remain like that and 10 grams I will have to divide by 1000. Because from gram I am coming down to kg, so coming down is division and by 1000. So I am dividing it by 1000. So 10 will go like this. What I have? 1 upon 100. So my answer is 10 1 upon 100 kg. But they don't want in mixed fraction form. They want in decimal. So how can we convert this? This is an integer. So 10 and then decimal will come. I need to convert this into decimal. How can I do that? I told you in my earlier videos also, 1 means decimal. After that 2 zeros means 2 places I have to accommodate my numerator, whatever digits are there. I need to start from the extreme right. So I have only 1. So 1 will come here, extreme right. If I would have had 15, I would have written like this, 15. But I don't have 15, I have only one digit. So 1 digit will occupy this place. I don't have anything left for this place. So I will cover it with 0. So my answer is 10.01 kg. See how simple it is. We'll go to the next sum. 40 kg minus 750 grams. 40 kg minus 750 grams is equal to how many kg? See, 40 kg minus 750 grams is equal to how many kg? This is a question. See student, always remember to write it in this form, kg and grams. G or gm, anything will do, okay? Here you have 40 kg minus 750 grams. See, kg and grams, the relation is of 1000. 1000 has 3 zeros, so gram will have 3 places. Gram can have 3 places. See, kg can have as many places as they can. It can be 4000, it can be 40,000 kg, doesn't matter. Gram, whichever is smaller one, always has definite number of places. Okay, so gram, and it is decided by their relation. 1 kg is how many grams? 1000. 1000 has 3 places, 3 zeros. So gram can have 3 places only. That's why they have given this 750. Here 40, I don't have any grams, so I can write 3. I cannot write 2 zeros, I cannot write 4 zeros. I have to write 3 zeros because gram can have 3 places only. Here also I can write 0 zeros. They are optional, of course. 0 0 0. 0 minus 5 cannot take place, so I have to take this 3, 9, 9 and 10. 10 minus 5, 5. 9 minus 7, 2. 9 minus 0, 9. 3 minus 0, 3. So answer is 39 kg 250 grams. Answer is 39 kg 250 grams. Or they may give like this, 39 point, this line is point, 39.250 grams. So answer can be anything. It is same. Okay, let's go ahead with the next sum. 360 grams make how many kilogram? 360 gram make how many kilogram? Very simple. Grams they have given. They are asking there how many kg. See, gram we are there. We need to convert that into kg. So we are moving down. So 360 I will have to divide because I am coming down. By how much? 1000. So how can I do that? 360 upon 1000. 10 10 gone. So ultimately I have 36 upon 100. How can I convert this into decimal? This one means point. After that I have 2 zeros, so 2 places I can have to fill up my numerator. Fortunately I have only 2 places, so 36 will come here. But this decimal should be visible, so I am adding this 10. So my answer is 3.36 kg. 0.36 kg. They may give option like this also. See, this 0 has no meaning. 0.36 is same as 0.360. It is same as 0.3600. See, last zeros are not important. They have no value. Okay. So they may give this. They may give this. Anything. Okay. They are same. Next one, very interesting sum. 0.09 kg plus 0.5 grams minus 120 milligram is equal to how many grams? It is nothing but the conversion which you can do with the help of this whatever I have given you. It will be very simple, students, believe me. I am writing the sum 0.09 kg plus 0.5 gram minus 120 mg is equal to how many grams? This is what they have asked. Everything we need to convert into grams. This we need not bother because it is already in grams. But this too, yes, we need to convert. Now conversion is not an issue anymore because we have this. See, we are in kg. Kg is given. First we are doing only this, okay? So we are in kg. That we need to convert into grams. So we are moving up. So 0.09 I will write first. From kg to gram, moving up. So into, by how much? Gram and kg, it is 1000. I told you in multiplication, length video, whenever we multiply decimal by 1000, 100, 10, 10,000, whatever, our decimal moves to the right, and when we divide, it moves to the left. Now here in this case, it will move to the right because we are multiplying. How many places will it jump to the right? It depends on these zeros. How many zeros are there? 3. So this 0.09, this decimal will jump 3 times. 1, 2, 3, and it will come here. So I need to fill up this place with 0. 0090, this 0 will have no meaning at all. Okay, 0090 means only 90. So my answer is 90. Okay, so when I multiply this, I am getting 90. Okay, now I need not worry about this 0.5 because this is gram only. So no conversion is required here. Now we need to convert this mg. Mg we need to convert into gram. Mg to gram, we are coming down. So I need to divide. So 120 divided by 1000. 110 gone. 12 upon 100. 12 upon 100. Again very simple. I need to convert that into decimal. So this means point. After that I will have 2 places. So I need to accommodate my numerator there. And to make this visible, 10. So it is minus 0.12 because this is minus. So this is also minus. Okay, we have to do what they want, not that what we want, right? So 90.90 plus 90 doesn't have any decimal, so it is here only, last. Okay, decimal के नीचे decimal. Remember that, student. 5. I am adding these 2, huh? So I can write here 0. I can write here 0, 0. It is 90.5. So addition of these 2 is 90.5. So 90.5, I need to subtract 0.12. I need to subtract this, no? Now I am doing this. Okay. So ये 2 के ऊपर कुछ है नहीं. So I can give 0. Okay. I cannot subtract 2 from 0. So this will become 4. This will become 10. So 10 minus 2, 8. 4 minus 1, 3. 0 and 9. This point के नीचे point. So our answer is 90.38. Students, once you study this chart or whatever you call it very well, believe me, your calculations won't take long because it should fit in here. Once it is here, this conversions will be easy like this. So by heart this or study this. I would say study this. By hearting doesn't help. Study this, understand this. Okay, so memorizing or reproducing at the time of exam becomes very easy. Okay, let's go ahead with next sum. 12 articles each weighing 250 grams and 8 articles each weighing 300 grams are packed in a box. The weight of the box along with the articles is 6 kg 400 grams. What is the weight of the empty box? Very interesting. See, there is a box, but even the empty box will have its own weight, isn't it? When we pack something, its weight increases because the inside stuff, whatever we pack in it, also has a weight. Box also has a weight, and those things also, right? So this is something to do with that. We have to use this logic here, okay? What are they packing? 12 articles, each of 250 gram. See, kg and grams. Make a habit. Each thing is of 250. I told you, kg and gram relation is of 1000, 3 zeros. So gram can have 3 places only. So 250 grams. Okay. Kg, they have not given anything. So each thing is of 250. Like that, how many things are there? 12. So we need to multiply. 250, 250, 12 times they are packing. So 12 zeros are 0. 12 5s are 60. 6 carry. 12 2s are 24 plus 6. That is 30. 30, 0 will come here and 3 will go here. I cannot write here 30. Why? Because it can have only 3 places. I cannot give 4 places. So once it reaches 4th place, I have to shift it to kg. So 3 kg. And what else are they packing? 8 articles of 300. So similarly, we will do here. See, in exam you did not do it so nicely because time is very crucial, right? So here while learning, you need to be very, very systematic. 8 things of 300. So 8 zeros are 0, 0, 8 3s are 24. 2 and 4. 4 will come here but 2 will go here. 24. Okay. Again the reason is same. I can have only maximum 3 places. Or maximum means can have only 3 places. Okay. So total weight, how much are we packing in that box? 3 kg plus 2 kg 400 grams. So in all how much? 3 kg plus 2 kg 400 grams. So it is 5 kg 400 grams. Right? 3 plus 2 5, 0 plus 400 400. So 5 kg 400 grams we are packing in that box. After this stuff is put in the box, the total weight of that box is 6 kg 400. 6 kg 400 grams. After everything is packed, this entire stuff is put in this box, then the weight of that box is 6 kg 400 grams. But that 6 kg 400 grams may say 5 kg 400 grams is pertaining to those things. So what is the weight of that box? See again kg and gram. 6 kg 400 is the total weight minus what is the weight of those things? 5 kg 400 grams. 0 0 0 1. So answer is 1 kg. Answer is the weight of the box is 1 kg. So answer is 1 kg. Students, if you have really enjoyed my lecture, then like my video, subscribe to my channel and don't forget to press the bell icon so that you get notified whenever I post new videos. Okay? Till then, bye.